Welcome, student. Now we will go through this lesson that is pronoun. Okay. Here, this is the lesson. Now we will start these lessons pronouns. It is very simple and very short lessons. That is pronoun. Okay. Uh, in the first sentence, we have the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. So when we uses noun in the sentence, we can't use that noun repeatedly. Okay. So to avoid the repetition of noun, we uses pronoun. Okay. So here is a picture. Here is a picture. Mira bought a vase. Mira bought a vase. Here is a vessel. Okay, vessel, and she gives money. Okay. Mira bought a vase. Mira wrapped the vase in colorful paper. Mira wrapped the vase colorful paper. Mira gave the vase to Mira's mother. Mira gave the vase to Mira's mother. If this is the sentences, okay, in each sentence we have subject Mira, okay, and vessel. Let us make a sentence with the use of pronoun. Mira bought a vase, and now we uses pronoun, that is she. Okay, she wrapped it. It pronoun comes instead of the vase. Okay, she wrapped it up in colorful paper. She gave it to her mother. So here we have pronouns she for Mira, it for vase, she for Mira, it for vase, and her mother, Mira's mother. So we write down her mother. So in this way, pronouns comes in the sentence instead of noun. Okay, here we have second point, that in the second sentence, that is the B sentence, sentences above, the words she, it, her are pronouns are used instead of noun in the A sentences. Third, here we have table. Okay, pronoun that are most commonly used for the people are called personal pronoun. Pronouns that are most commonly used for the people are called personal pronouns. So here are personal pronoun: I, me, my, mine, myself. So this is the pronoun which comes in the first persons, that is I, me, my, mine, and myself. We, us, our, ours, ourselves. You, your, yours, yourself, and yourselves. He, him, his, himself. She, her, hers, herself. They, them, their, theirs, themselves. It, its, itself. Okay. What are these personal pronouns? Okay, uh, here is a explanation. Okay, the first person, we use the first person. These are used for a person or a persons who are speaking. I must win. Let us celebrate. Let us celebrate. In the second person, in the first person, I, and second sentence, us, is the personal pronoun. First person: I, me, my, mine, myself, we, us, our, ourselves. In the second person means you, she, second person. These are used in the persons or a person spoken to. Okay, that is, you may rest now. It means there is a suggestions given to you, that is pronoun. Okay. Second, this book is yours. This is possessive case. In the third person, there are used the person. These are used the persons and persons or things spoken about. So here is the third person, that is in the sentence we spoke about. So first sentence, he locked the door. So in this sentence we spoke about he, that he is doing the activity of locking the door. Okay, he locked the door. It was a pretty flower. It was a pretty flower. This is the third person sentence. So first person, second person, and third person. The first person pronouns are I, me, my, mine, myself, we, us, our, ours, ourselves. Second person pronouns are you, your, yours, yourself, yourselves. And third person pronouns are there are large quantity: he, him, his, himself, she, her, hers, herself, they, them, their, theirs, themselves, it, its, itself. These are third person pronoun. Okay, this is very small lesson. Pronoun, personal pronoun. Okay, here are the some given sentences. Okay, we have to underline the Okay. So, in the first sentence, we enjoyed ourselves at the party. In this sentence, underlined words, that is we and ourselves, are at the are the pronouns. In the second sentence, that is the boy fell and hurt himself. The boy fell and hurt himself. One minute. In this sentence, himself is a pronoun. In the third sentence, I hope you will get a first class. In this sentence, we have here I and you. Okay. Fourth sentence, these books are ours. Take care of them. Okay. In this sentence, ours, these, ours, and them. Fifth, is this pencil yours or hers? So your or hers, yours and hers, and these are the pronouns. The neighbor asked me if the cat was mine. So mine and me are the pronoun. Will you come? Next sentence. Will you come with